the kings had their queens on the throne. We were